Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve GB WhatsApp stopping problem. To know how to solve GB WhatsApp keeps stopping problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. We will click here, and when you will see this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.